So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Netflix stock, ticker symbol NFLX in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your application or your device, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass or the discover option. Also press on the magnifying glass here. Now you're on the discover page. Go to the top and press on search. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol NFLX for Netflix. So as you can tell at the bottom, NFLX, Netflix Inc., press on that right there. Now if you want to purchase shares of Netflix, go to the bottom and press on buy, press on stocks. Now for me, it actually defaults to fractional buy, but if you wanted to change that into market buy or whatever, press on fractional buy at the top. And now you have options of market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy. But we're just going to go ahead and stay with the fractional buy for this demonstration. Type in the amount of money you want to invest into Netflix. So for me, I'm just going to do $1 for this demonstration. Now, keep in mind as well, this is in USD, not CAD, so there will be a conversion afterwards into CAD. But regardless, they'll press on continue. Now, before you confirm your purchase, just make sure that you're understanding what the estimated cost is going to be. So as you can tell, the cost is $1 USD, but the estimated cost is $1.36 CAD with the exchange rate and the conversions. Once that is done, press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Netflix stock, ticker symbol NFLX in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.